We are here at the Hampton Inn here in Sevierville, Tennessee. Guess what? You guys saw a Series 1. A bear. Here. The bear's like, hi, I'm in the elevator. This is really interesting. That's the facial expression when I see a really cool elevator. Very fast for hydro. Go up again. As you tell, they put tape over the phone box, so we will not open the phone box. It's a nice elevator. Look at that bear. That's really cool. You get a bear, 2 bears. Cool. Let's go back down to 1. Series 1. Really weird. What a weird elevators have been on in Hampton Inn. Anyway, I guess that could be it for me.